disclosure, this pull-up bar was sent to me for evaluation, but all opinions are my own. Whoa guys, right here, we got the FLYBIRD Pull Up Bar. This pull-up bar requires no drilling, no screws, no equipment to install. You just twist this and you're good to go. Pull up in a matter of seconds. This is the FLYBIRD Pull Up Bar. This thing can handle 660 pounds of pull-up or chin-up. This thing only weighs 5.5 pounds and it's super easy to install. No tools required. You don't need to worry about damaging your door. All you do is to twist this thing. This thing extends and pushes against your door. There's two locking mechanisms that makes this pull-up bar stay secure. Number one are these locks on the side right here. You got one on each side. Once you lock them down, they prevent twisting, which makes sure that the length doesn't change so that your pull-up bar stays fixed to your door. Also, if you notice right here, as you pull down the pull-up bar, this thing will push up, making the bar push against the door even more, providing more friction. You also have this anti-slip material here. Man, they thought of everything. But just keep in mind that this thing can only be as strong as your door frame. Because remember, you need to put a lot of pressure on the door frame by twisting this and locking in. And it works great, especially on concrete and metal door frames. This thing can handle a lot of weight. I mean, 660 pounds, that's a ton of weight. I mean, you can do pull-ups, chin-ups, you can do a lot of workout exercise with this thing, and it is solid. This thing can extend between 28.3 and 36.2 inches in length. So, flexible, yes. Oh, I forgot to mention, the grip right here is a good size grip. The material of the grip actually prevents slipping and it actually absorbs sweat too. So it's nice and perfect for intense pull-ups and chin-up session. This is the FLYBIRD Pull-Up Bar where you don't need any tools to install. This thing is simple, easy. So simple, you have no excuse but to do your pull-ups and get buff. Yeah! FLYBIRD. So use it and get fit, get strong, and be a better you today.